So hey guys, today we are planning to go camping this weekend. So we're starting our journey right now. But first up, we're stopping at LCBO.
So here we are in our destinations, but I thought we were gonna be right beside the beach, but I guess this is the only destinations available for now. So it is what it is. I'm not impressed with it, but you know. So today is the next morning. We're up not early, but you know, let me show you that little beach here. We were planning to swim here the other day, but then there's too many humans in here. So look at the view. It's so nice. Oh my goodness.
Oh no!
Hi, man, no lifeguards. No lifeguards. Look at the trail, guys. It's so nice. So guys, here's another little hike that I'm gonna show you the view of Terrace Bay. Guys, welcome to
Agua Sabin Fall.
So after a little hike, we got a little tired and hungry, so we went back to our stations to make some delicious food. So guys, after we were done eating, we went for another hike. We reached to Terrace Bay Lighthouse. Isn't it beautiful, guys?
Hi. Say hi to the vlog. Hi.
So here is the beach that we're gonna swim. So check it out. It has the most beautiful view. Before we jump into the water, we decided to play a little game of volleyball to warm ourselves up because the water is too cold. Hey guys, tell me if I could swim underwater with opening my eyes. You guys think you can see or not? Here we go. Okay, can you move, please? Can you move, please? Okay, ready? You want to see it with me opening my eyes? Okay. Ready? Sorry, guys. Get out of the way. Okay, ready? OMG. What's with my laugh? It's so hilarious. It's the ugliest laugh I ever have.
Huh? Okay.
Ignore that, guys. Please
Say bye,
ignore
guys.
that.
Say bye.
So, my swimming skill is bad. But my friend, in the other hand, is worse than me. I did not know this. Check it out, guys.
Ôi, qua là từ vui mình phải vậy. Wow, nó phạt co. Qua lên này. No thanks, man. No thanks. Nó làm gì hả?
Funny part about this swimming is that we're in the kids section because none of us know how to swim. So take safety first before saying sorry, I guess.
Okay, ready?
That's it.
Có kìa. Cái đứa nào nó. The bed.
So guys, here's another view, the beautiful view of banana. Guys, don't mind my hair. Say hi. Hello. It's so ugly. Hello. I think this is a mall. The mall of it. I'm not sure. There's a look at the view, guys. It's so nice. This is underneath the Nippigan Bridge. It is so nice. We got one fisher, two fisher. Those are just lazy people, I guess. Just kidding. And then there's another two here, but there's one here. Yeah. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification at the bottom. Stay tuned for more videos.